Recently I picked up these Greenlight, Johnny Lightning and Autoworld cars. They've been sat waiting to be opened up. And finally I got around to it. Barrett Jackson Ford Bronco here. Very clean looking casting. All the windows are clear, which is good on the Greenlight. All the little detailing, winch, mirrors, lights, etc. Interior look really good on it. And there's the first Bronco I got that isn't a Matchbox or Hot Wheels product. I'm pretty pleased with it and I'd like to add some more soon. It would be nice to see if Autoworld will bring one out too. See what their take on the Bronco is. And see if they'll do a long wheelbase as well. Got the Sport, I got the version with the camper, which I need to get out sometime and display on my rural scenes. Now this is my first Greenlight Corvette C8 that I've got. Haven't bought the others yet because I don't really like them in the black. Might get the white one soon. This orange one definitely shows off the lines of the car well. All the detailing, it does have some flakes of paint on the windscreen, black marks on the paint, sticky into that side of the windscreen. But when you're at a distance, you can't really notice. Get down below, it definitely looks apart in the scene. You may have seen this in a recent video. Picked this up in the Netherlands, I got it out of the packaging. Definitely has some presence. This does look a little bit big when you compare it to the F250 behind. It's much bigger than the Johnny Lightning Challenger behind. So which one is nearer to 164? You might know in the comments. And for the next Autoworld Wrangler, it does look a little big. So looking at the Johnny Lightning, the wheels and the way they sit look a bit off compared to the Greenlight. The actual shape and the detailing look pretty good. And the costume and the lights look pretty spot on. I don't often pick up many M2s, and I've never really got one out of the packet, but I like the look of this Mustang. I'll probably try and get a few more over time. And I don't usually get all the cars. I'm trying to get a few more into the collection. And this lamp, it definitely looks apart. I'm trying to cut that you see in a modern clean shop like this. And a couple of recent pickup releases from Greenlight, the GMC and the Ford F250. Got the white and red version previously, that's the top for the bed. Now there's this more plain open version. Recently quite a lot of pacing via versions, so it's nice to have a completely stock road going version. And then usually you see with the Indian bike on the back, doesn't quite fit on the tow bar properly, either slumps and falls off or has to sit high. That's a nice feature. And it displays really well in front. Only pops against the white background. No, I wasn't quite sure about the colour of this one. I like yellow, but this one with the wheels, I wasn't too sure, but in the end I got it. I like the black version with all the stuff on the top and its roof rack. It doesn't always show up well when you picture it. I get some of the more stock versions that are missing out in my Autoworld Wrangler collection. And build up a group of them. And finally the Mini, or the Rally version and the Shell version. This is the third one I picked up.
I think they did a really good version, a really good job with these. The Italian job ones looked really good. I got them as well. Never opened them up though. But this touring car type version in this pale blue grey colour really is nice. They are tiny when you compare them to these other American cars. Definitely a contrast to the other vehicles. And almost fits in the bed of the F250. All the chrome bumpers, badging lights are on the car. Chrome sill and arch trims. There's a bit of a paint defect there, I don't know if you can see. See if there's anything to do with that. And a chunk missing out the roof. Just going to show you. So it's best to look at it from this angle, I think. I'll be opening up a few more Greenlight releases I've got plenty of police and fire ones I need to open up. Some more Mustangs and some camping series. Grams Diecast Detective. I'll try and get some pictures of these up soon. See you in the next video.